Christmas, usually it's just the three of us together. We never really had Noche Buena together as a family. My husband's been working as a chef in the cruise ship for 6 years already. When Zeke was still a baby, he got to spend Christmas with his dad. He doesn't have any idea kung to celebrate it with his dad.
Ang trabaho ng anak ko ay as on-call nurse. Kapag tinawagan siya, hindi siya pwede maghindi. Kahit na anong klaseng okasyon yun. Saka aalis pa siya sa Pasko, malungkot talaga kami.
Eh, yung work ng husband ko panggabi siya. Tapos yung isa ko ding anak, minsan panggabi. Yung last time namin na kumpleto is December 2008, nung dumating yung husband ko from Bahrain. Tapos 2009 nagka-work na siya. Parang bumalik na naman sa isip ko yung parang nasa ibang bansa na naman siya, ganun. Bilang mami kasi syempre gusto nila yung kumpleto yung family nila. Gusto ko mabigyan sila ng konting salo-salo para ma-celebrate na namin yung Noche Buena earlier.
Giving him a surprise Noche Buena, ma-remember niya to kasi he will get to spend it with us.
Nagde-decorate kami, buong pamilya. Piniprepare namin yung food na favorite niya para i-celebrate ang advance Noche Buena.
Speechless. Wala akong masabi. All the way from different places, pumunta sila. Ayoko na umalis. Ito na lang ako.
Nagulat. Shock lang. Pagdating dito, ba't may pagkain? Kanina wala naman. Yung bunso ko, sinespend ko rin sa kanya yung time. Yun yung pinaka-happy moment mo rin.
I'm very happy and excited that all of the people in my life are here.
Kita ko naman talaga na nagulat siya. Kasi nga ina-expect niya si Kat yung iso-surprise.
Ay, ano ito? Malabo. Pa, lagi mo sanang tandaan na mahal ka namin ng mga bata. Salamat sa pagmamahal at suporta sa ating pamilya. It's all about family. That's the purpose of Christmas, to be with the loved ones.